Bueno amigos, estoy en problemas. ¿Por qué? Porque me encuentro en esta cancha de un juego gaélico y no entiendo nada. Así que hoy vamos a hablar de Irish slangs. Sí, acá nos va a enseñar un poquito más porque no entiendo nada de nuevo. Y eso que ya estoy varios meses acá, pero el inglés acá es diferente. Así que hoy vamos a aprender un poquito de los slangs de Irlanda. Como uno llega al país, uno a veces no se da cuenta y hay palabras que no conocemos. Así que hoy estamos explicando un poquito eso. En realidad yo tampoco sé mucho, así que vamos a empezar. Lo han visto en otros videos.
Hello, today we're going to talk about some Irish slang. And the first one we're starting off with is acting the maggot, which means fooling around and just being messy. And acting the maggot.
Acting the maggot. No sé exactamente cómo decirlo en español, como que estás actuando muy molestoso.
Next one we say is, what's the crack? How's the crack? Any crack.
Yes.
Which is a big one in Ireland, which means, how's things? How are you going?
Yeah.
So it can mean a lot of things, but yeah, very famous Irish saying.
Mm-hmm.
What's the crack, man?
What's the crack, man? Yes. Como vemos, siempre va a haber esta palabra, esta frase, como diciendo WhatsApp, como diciendo como que qué hay de nuevo. ¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo están?
Story.
What's the story?
If in Dublin.
Esa es otra que siempre se escucha por acá. What's the story? No es como que traducirlo literalmente y dice cuál es la situación, cuál es la historia. No es como que qué pasa, cuál es la onda, qué está pasando, una cosa así.
Another one is sound.
Sound.
Sound. He's a sound man. Like he's a
yes.
good man, nice man. Everything is sound. How are you? I'm sound. Which means I'm good.
Sound, yeah. Sí. Todos en la familia y todos por donde he ido siempre he escuchado sound, oh sound, how are you, sound, ¿no? No, it's like how are you, fine, no, how are you, sound, everything sound, how is everything at home, sound.
Grand, another one.
Grand, sound, grand is the same family, es la misma familia, es como diciendo todo bien, perfecto, excelente. He is sound, he is grand, like él
grand.
está bien,
all
él
good,
es,
chill, yeah.
Ajá, no worries, así que we are sound.
Grand.
Grand.
Yeah.
Hello. Wow.
Savage cows.
Savage cows. Oh, sí.
Yeah. While we're making this video, we have some guests that want to be in the camera, so this is a bonus. These are all our extras. Yeah. Guys, you're famous now.
Wow. Amigos, hemos estado haciendo el video y ellos han estado escuchándonos. They were listening our
they're all very good on the
slangs.
camera. Look at that. They're all looking at the camera.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah.
Guys.
They're grand.
Grand, yeah.
They're grand. Sí.
They don't look very happy.
Look at them. They're perfect. They're savage.
They don't look very happy.
No?
No.
I don't know what's going on.
You're going to be on YouTube, guys.
Amigos, hemos estado filmando y miren cómo nos han escuchado y se han puesto así. No puedo creerlo, se han puesto, estamos como que, acá hay como un riachuelo acá abajo hay como un riachuelo y ellos están ahí, nos han escuchado y miren, se han acercado a hacernos la barra y creo que ellos también quieren aprender algo.
Next one we say is a pint of the black stuff, which means a pint of Guinness, our famous Irish drink. Yeah.
Alcohol, when you go to the party, cuando vamos a las fiestas, en vez que digas quiero una cerveza, quiero una Guinness, decimos I want that black stuff.
Which is a pint of the black stuff, which means a pint of Guinness.
Guinness.
Yeah, and if you're going drinking, you go lushing. So on the lush, L-U-S-H. Were you lushing last night?
Estás tomando anoche, o sea, en vez de decir tomar, beber, emborracharte, dices slashing. I was slashing last night, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's more kind of West of Ireland thing. Down the south, they say, much the same thing, yeah. How's she cutting means how are you going? Like, how's things? How's she cutting? How's your day been? Yeah, how's she cutting?
¿Cómo está todo?
Yeah.
¿Cómo qué? How you cutting? I didn't know that.
Yes, how's she cutting?
Okay.
Next one is a culture, is what people from Dublin call people from not from Dublin. So anywhere else that's down past Dublin, they call people cultures, and we call them Jackeens from Dublin. So
Entonces, culchi es alguien que no viva en Dublin, en la capital. Es como que nosotros que vivimos en countryside, we are culchis. Culchis.
Yeah.
Y la gente de Dublin are
Jackines.
jackins.
Yeah, I know why they call them that, but Jackine, yeah. If you're a Jackine, you're from Dublin. If you're from outside Dublin, you're a Culchie. Proud Culchies.
Proud culchi.
I'm your.
Yeah.
Deadly, like it's more Dublin thing. Bleeding deadly means like really good, like wow, amazing. That's deadly. How was the concert last night? It was deadly. Donkey's years is another that we use in Ireland, which means a long, long time ago. Like, how long are you here in this country? I'm here donkey's years.
¿Cuánto tiempo tenemos en este país? Tenemos 1000 años, o sea, mucho tiempo.
If you didn't see somebody for a long time, I haven't seen you in donkey's years.
Hace siglos.
An Aegis. Like,
Idiot.
he's such an Aegis. You're bleeding Aegis, or you're Aegis. It's like a fool, an Irish word for fool. Yeah, but it's used a lot. He's such an Aegis.
Alguien tonto, alguien stupid, could be.
Something silly.
Is an idiot, no idiot.
No.
It's different. It's diferente. Idiot, idiot.
And then we say F off or feck off,
Feck off.
which is a more polite way of saying the other F word.
So which is fuck up.
Yes.
Y este es feck off.
Feck off or F off.
F off.
Yes,
That-
it sounds better than. Another one is fair play, like means well done, good job, congrats, fair play.
Fair play.
Yeah. If you do something good and someone says to you, fair play, that could mean good job.
Okay. Okay, algo que well done, como muy bien, excelente, tu trabajo está bueno y.
Next one is fine thing. If a girl is talking about a boy, if a boy is talking about a girl and they're attracted to the person, oh, she's a fine thing.
Fine.
Like she's hot or she's a fine thing.
Algo más fácil, como porque
Fine.
sí, y es de una mamacita, ¿no? Es así como que muy bonita, hermosa, bella. She's fine.
Fine. A fine thing.
Fine thing.
Yeah. Males will use it towards girls more often than I think, yeah. Next one is gaff, G-A-F-F.
Gaff.
It means a house, crib.
Oh.
Yeah, so let's go back to your gaff. Gas, which means another one for funny. He's gas, which means he's really funny. Or that was gas,
That was gas.
really funny.
Que es muy divertido, algo como que en vez de decir so funny, that is gas.
Gas, yeah. Yeah. The next one is jacks, which means toilet, baño. Yeah, I'm going to the jacks.
Okay, for everyone.
Going to the toilet.
Anyone code, like girls.
No, girls don't really say it. It's more of a male thing again. Like if you're in the pub and that kind of thing, I'm just going to jacks. Yeah.
Okay.
Ladies don't really say it.
Entonces, el baño para hombres es llamado jacks, pero no para las chicas.
If someone is very drunk, it's more again of a male thing. They say I was locked last night. Like L-O-C-K-E-D, locked, like locked, yeah, which means you were very drunk. The last one is savage, which means can mean a lot of things too. Can mean like really good, like that's a savage night. That's savage. It can mean a lot of things, but it's all positive when someone says savage, it's positive.
Entonces puede traducirse como que si vas a decirle a una chica, oye, está como buenaza, algo así.
How are ya?
How are ya? Es como que es lo corta, ¿no? How is it?
How are ya?
How are ya?
How are ya?
So it's not how are you, it's how ya. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna ask question and you're gonna answer with these
Okay, yeah.
slangs, yeah? Yeah. What's your name? No. What's your name? No. How are you?
Grand.
Grand. How was the party yesterday?
Savage.
Okay. What else? How's your mom?
Grand, yeah, she's fine.
She's fine, yeah. How long have you been in Mayo?
Donkey's years.
So have you ever had a food poisoning?
Yeah. Bad dose, man.
So are you going to the pub?
I love a pint of the black stuff.
That means que quiere una cerveza negra, una Guinness. How is last night?
It was great crack.
So where are we going now?
Back to my gaff.
O sea, vamos a su casa. This day is so beautiful.
It's class.
Es class, ¿cómo? Es lo mismo.
Savage day.
Savage day, class, grand. Todos esos son adjetivos de que está muy bien, perfecto, maravilloso, está muy bonito. Así que estamos aprendiendo más. De casualidad, con este juego, son los juegos gaélicos, que es parecido al fútbol. Y ahí lo ven, los ven corriendo. No, también estoy escuchando bastante que están gritando lads, así que yo lo considero también como una jerga de acá, porque generalmente siempre dicen guys, como hello guys, o ya, guys es más americano, más claro, y lad significa chicos.
A point is one.
A point is one.
Yeah, over the bar is one. But as you get into the goal, it's 3.
Ok, entonces en esa barra es 1 y en el arco es 3. Mira, como ves, son chiquillos. Y es un juego local.
I think that's all the slangs that I can think about right now. But subscribe, share, and
Bueno amigos, espero que les haya gustado este video. Son las jergas que usamos en Irlanda, bueno, que ellos usan en Irlanda y uno trata de descifrar qué está diciendo. Saben que esto es súper Irish. Así que espero que les haya gustado, compartan, suscriban y nos vemos pronto. Cuídense.